Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods Pro with this smartphone. So at the first you have to open notification bar, you have to open the charging case. Notification bar we are going to open that later. Then rotate case like that and click and hold this back button to move them into the pairing mode. So let's make it. When the indicator is blinking we have to release that key, and next we have to open notification bar. Then click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. Tap on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth. And when the AirPods Pro pops on the list, we have to tap on them to pair. So let's make it right now, click OK, and as you can see, it is finished. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.